सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाक आयच्यान सुरवात जाता आनी त्या निमतान आमी आयज येयल्या द बार्ज जे जेटी आसा ओल्ड गोवा हांगासर. म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा जे आर्टिस्ट जे हांगासर तेंचे आर्टवर्क आसा. सर वेलकम टू आवर शो, वेलकम टू गोवा एंड वेलकम टू इंडिया.
Thank you.
This is your second time you told for the festival. So what do you expect from third time? Okay.
Third time.
So previously you have come 2 times. So what is special this year?
This year is the 10th edition, so it's a bigger festival with plenty of curators, all the curators from the 10 past years who are coming together. So it's bigger, and I guess resume of what has happened during the past 10 years at Serendipity. So there is some very special venue like this Barge, which is very special for even for artists to work with, very different from your usual white cube.
The idea of your artwork, how it came, and why do you thought of participating again in the Serendipity Arts Festival?
Because I've been invited, first of all, and I like the format of this festival also. I think it's very generous and very open to large range of practices, and I think I live here also, so I think it makes sense like to be part of this when my practice is based here and about topics which are related to this part of the world.
As you know that Serendipity Arts Festival is one of the biggest arts festival in South Asia. It puts all together like culinary, other art forms into at one place, at one platform. How do you think that the artist gets a platform to perform or maybe show that artwork?
I think it's great because it's very open once again, and it's allowing artists to take risk that you will not, experiment a bit more than maybe other venues which are more formal. You feel like you have more space to try something new and get out of your comfort zone for artists.
Okay, so sir, you are at the festival and we are at the Barge. So what is your work is about, and what do you want the people to experience from this work?
Yeah, so it's related to the container that we are in, the barge. It's part of the history of this place where all the minerals and all are traded and all that. This was the container for that. Now it's not used anymore. It's like an abandoned barge. So this is just try to bring about the weight of the raw material that used to go in that. That's why this composition uses very low frequencies at high amplitude to make you feel these very low vibrations slowly. So it's going to be running for 6-7 hours every day, and people will lie down and just feel the weight of this resource as such, like
So from today the festival is getting open, and it will be available or for the visit for the people. So what do you have to tell the audiences? They should experience.
Yeah, they should come with an open mind and have a good time,
Okay, so you had come, you said in 2017, and the Barge is back this year after many years. So how do you look at the scenario and the festival? 2017, how was it, and today, how it has grown?
Yeah, it's become a lot more prolific now, for sure. It's grown both broadly and deeply in many ways. Like there's a lot of more classical music and all that, which is nice. There's so much variety there. A lot of extremes. This very experimental, also the very classical stuff. You rarely get a festival of this nature that has these sort of such a nice dimension to it. So yeah, everyone should come and pick their choice and try to enjoy it.
You nicely said that there is a different kind of music, different kind of art form, culinary. All art forms are put together in this festival. Hope to see you, sir, next year also. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Ma'am, we are at the Barge, so we have seen so many work of yours. Explain it.
Yeah. So this is a site-specific light installation where I have used sculptures which were made with lost wax process, and I've also used some found objects from the barge. And there is a light beam that is moving across all these sculptures. When I was invited to show my work in the Barge, which is such a special site, it's almost like a dream come true, right? You hardly get a venue like that to show your work. So I thought that instead of breaking the space of the barge, the idea was to look at the barge, look at the walls of the barge, look at what the barge is used for. So, as you all know, the barge is used for carrying iron ore mining pellets, which are mined and carried up and down on the streams. With the 12-year ban that was uplifted, during the 12 years, a lot of barge owners, truck drivers suffered because of being jobless. So here with the work, what I'm trying to do is look at labor and also ecology and put it out on the surface of the barge and look at how if you mine something, how it is going to create more problems ecologically. But also if you stop mining, then how it affects the economics of the city. So it's trying to look at both.
So, ma'am, last time you had come at the old GMC there. So today you are at one of the memorable, as in it has come after many years, the Barge. So what do you expect from the people? And you have seen the festival growth, as in last time the people must have been less, but today the festival has grown with it, whether it is venue, curations, everything has grown.
Yeah. No, I really hope that the local people from Goa, Panjim, come and be on this space. The site is really special, and they look at it. I think they are the audience. They are our true audience. That the local people from Goa come and see the work and respond to it, because we come from somewhere else. I've come from Bombay. But I'm expecting that I get some response from the local community here, and that will be truly special, I think.
मॅम लास्ट क्वेश्चन की गोवा आम्ही म्हणतो की गोवा इज द हब ऑफ आर्ट आणि गोवा सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल इज अ परफेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन. याबद्दल तुम्ही काय सांगाल की इज इट फॉर द पास्ट 10 years it has been organized here. There are the various artists, whether it is national, international, are coming here, performing their arts, maybe displaying their artwork. So ह्या आर्ट फॉर्मबद्दल आणि जे आर्टिस्ट आहे त्यांच्यासाठी एक प्लॅटफॉर्म, दिस इज द प्लॅटफॉर्म, परफेक्ट प्लॅटफॉर्म फॉर देम. व्हॉट डू हॅव टू से अबाउट?
नो, इट्स एक्स्ट्रीमली स्पेशल, कारण असे खूप कमी व्हेन्यूज आहेत जिकडे पूर्ण सिटी अशी अलाईव्ह होऊन जाते. आपल्याकडे अजून एक जागा आहे जी आहे कोचीमध्ये, कोची बायनियल होतं, आणि ही दुसरी जागा आहे जी ट्रूली वेलकमिंग आहे सगळ्यांसाठी, आर्टिस्टसाठी, परफॉर्मर्ससाठी, म्युझिशियन्ससाठी, थिएटर आर्टिस्टसाठी. सो खरंच आय थिंक विथ द फेस्टिवल पूर्ण सिटी अशी अलाईव्ह होऊन जाते, आणि हे खूप आणि द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट इज सो इंटरनॅशनल आणि कंटेम्पररी. सो एक्झॅक्टली सगळ्या म्हणजे सगळ्या मोठ्या आर्टिस्टना किंवा आणि कुठचे शोध, I mean they've managed to find artists from like really different parts of India. It's not like फक्त एकाच ह्याच्यातनं आलेले आर्टिस्ट आहेत. त्यांनी ज्या काही लोकांना इन्व्हाइट केलं आहे ते खूप ट्रूली आपल्या आपल्या फील्डमध्ये खूप इंटरेस्टिंग काम करत आहेत. सो जर कोणाला कंटेम्पररी आर्ट बघायचं असेल इन ट्रू सेन्स तर हे फेस्टिवल मिस नाही करायला पाहिजे.
थँक्यू मॅम, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थँक्यू.
So, sir, we are at the Barge and we are at the Serendipity Arts Festival. So, this is the 10th edition. So, what do you think about this venue and what is your artwork?
I absolutely love the venue. I think it's an amazing opportunity to kind of be on this kind of dynamic structure. It's actually there's something very raw about the whole thing, and that's what we've done. We've not kind of polished up the surfaces. We've kept it raw. My particular artwork is in the crew cabin, and the crew is actually living there even as we speak. You know, they stay there every night. So I've kept it very raw to kind of respect the presence and the trueness of the space, and I've built my artwork around it. So I really like those kind of true spaces. You know, I don't like kind of polishing it up, and so yeah, my work is kind of reflecting on the space. It's very illusionary. It's playing around the space essentially.
Okay. So, how the idea came to your mind of doing this?
So it was driven by our curator Virangana's kind of curatorial note. It's the theme is absence and presence. So what I am trying to do with my work is I'm a tech artist, so I work a lot with technology and I'm inspired by science. Always been very fascinated by science and science fiction. So my piece is kind of revealing, it's deconstructing the TV screen and kind of showing the hidden phenomena that are present in our physical world that we can't directly observe because they are beyond our scale. Either like there are things like the quantization and polarization of light, which is a quantum phenomena that happens at a very small scale. So we don't like directly observe it, but it's present in a lot of our modern tech like TV screens and LCD screens. So that's what I'm doing with the TV screen. I'm kind of deconstructing it and showing this kind of hidden phenomena that's there. My artwork is called Phonetics of Space, and it's inspired by hidden phenomena in the physical world, and I'm kind of animating them. I've done a bunch of simulations, physics simulations, and that's what's the main content of my work.
Okay. So, Serendipity, for the past 10 years, it has been the hub for Goa, in Goa. So, it has become a permanent venue. So, what do you have to say about that?
Yeah, it's very special for me because I first attended, I think, the second or third edition of Serendipity, and that's when I was I think I just graduated, and you know, it was a huge, it was very inspirational for me because that was kind of my foray into the art world. So I don't come from an arts background, I come from a design background, and kind of seeing, kind of having the exposure of Serendipity, it really kind of excites you and kind of makes you think of all the possibilities that can be. I was a designer. I am a very creative person, and I think opportunities like this to see other artists' work kind of really inspire you and push you to do more interesting things. And I know it's very inspiring to a lot of young and upcoming artists. Yeah.
Of course, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
So आम्ही आयज असले बाज हांगासर आनी बाज हांगासर इट इज वन ऑफ द वेन्यू ऑफ द सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल. आयच्यान हे सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल फुडले 9 दीस 21 तारीख मेरेन आसा. तुमी नक्की ह्या फेस्टिवलाक येवचे. दिस इज वन ऑफ द फेस्टिवल वीच प्रोवायड्स अ प्लॅटफॉर्म टू वेरियस आर्टिस्ट जेंकां आपले टॅलंट शो करपाक जाय, एक्झिबीट करपाक जाय आपले आर्ट वर्क. सो परफेक्ट डेस्टिनेशन. तुमी नक्कीच हे सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट्स फेस्टिवलाक येवचे.